Well, my goodness, you certainly look like the cat who swallowed the canary this morning.
A canary? No, actually I was thinking of something bigger, something that flies, something more in blue.
Lois, as usual, I'm totally in the dark.
Well, let me just turn on the lights for you then. Get the picture?
Hmm.
You know, I didn't start to put this together until this morning, which is really strange because a good reporter isn't supposed to let anything slip by her.
Well, that's, very amusing. Excuse me. Yes, sir.
Amusing?
Yes, sir. That's very amusing.
Amusing, huh? Tall, broad shoulders, dark hair. Gotta give you credit. You really had me fooled. And I'm nobody's fool. Superman.
Superman. You mean, you think I'm Superman?
Willing to bet my life on it.
Lois, you know, you are priceless. Really. I mean, that is the single most ridiculous thing about... Lois, what are you doing?
You wouldn't let me die, Superman.